So if we're talking about multiplying and dividing numbers in scientific notation, as strange as this may look, a little foreign, if I ask you to multiply 2.3 times 4.5, I'm pretty sure most people could do that. If not by hand, you do it to calculate it real simply. And what's 2.3 times 4.5? 10.35. If I asked you to multiply 10 to the second power times 10 to the third power, again, remember the rule here? I would keep the base, and what do you do with the exponents? When you multiply, you add them. Now it give me 10 to the fifth. So basically, in essence, what I did here is I multiplied 2.3 times 4.5. I multiplied 10 to the second times 10 to the third. And I almost treat them as two separate equations. When I multiplied, here I end up getting 10.35. Here I end up getting 10 to the fifth power. So when I multiply, I end up with something that looks like this. I'm not satisfied with that answer, however, because we know for a number to be in scientific notation, it needs to be between 1 and 10. So in order to get this between 1 and 10, what I need to do is shift my decimal. Remember, if I move the decimal to the left, exponent gets larger. I moved it once, I increase by 1. And that's going to give me 1.035 times 10 to the sixth power. If I were to multiply 2.3 times 10 to the second times 4.5 times 10 to the third, it would give me 1.035 times 10 to the sixth. Pretty basic rules. We treat them as two separate problems. We have to remember our exponent rules when it comes to multiplying powers with the same base. And if we take a look here, take a look at that, and I'll give you some basic rules or steps on how to multiply numbers in scientific notation.